Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to configure eSIM on iPhone for dual network access. So make sure you will be have the iOS device and you will be move in the iPhone general settings, and here you will be just find the cellular option. I will just tap on it simply, and if you want to just like find out how much data you are using and set restriction and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling, so you will be just set up for cellular. I will just tap on it simply, so you will have to wait for the moment when it's completely load. So from here you will just you can just transfer a phone number by a nearby iPhone or scan a QR code provided by your carrier. So if you have a eSIM with the pack of QR code, so you will just use the QR code simply, and you will be just scan your eSIM QR code and it will be just connected with your carrier in the frame. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.